Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 16th of August. And first of all, national news. Yamuna water level crossed warning mark of 204.50 meters in Delhi. Global solar power grid to mitigate emission challenges, PM Modi. India showing the way to fight climate change, PM Modi on Independence Day. India's imports from Russia doubled to $20.45 billion during April to July. INDIGO co-founders' family to sold shares worth over 3,000 crores, a report said. On 100 years of freedom in 2047, India will be developed nation, PM Modi. PIMPRI CHINCHWAD Police Commissioner Vinod Kumar Chobe chosen for President's Medal. India getting ready for 6G task force already set up, PM Modi. Now some international news. Taliban celebrated second anniversary of return to power in Afghanistan. Youth employment figure hit record every month with 21.3% of young people jobless in June, China. NASA confirmed July 2023 as the hottest month ever. We must act now, NASA said. Now sports news. Virat Kohli doesn't care about records. Ex-India stars take on batter's approach for Asia Cup. Indian football legend Mohammad Habib died aged 74. England all-rounder Chris Woakes bags ICC Men's Player of the Month award for July 2023. Arsenal signed Brentford keeper David Raya on season-long loan. 4 Indians reach 5 World Cup quarter-finals. Vishwanathan Anand called it historic. Want a room full of medals before retiring, Indian shuttler Chirag Shetty. England to host Zimbabwe for test in 2025. Under pressure, Mohun Bagan hope to return to winning ways in AFC Cup. Now news related to business. Adani Green Energy targets 45 GW of renewable energy by 2030. Retail inflation rose sharply due to food prices, highest in 15 months. SENSEX bounced back after 2 days of fall on buying in Reliance Infosys. Inflation in food articles skyrocketed 14.25% in July. News related to science. Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft achieved near circular orbit around Moon after performing another maneuver. ISRO'S Aditya L1 Space Observatory satellite arrived at Sriharikota Spaceport ahead of launch. And that's all in news. Thank you.